Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to actually learn how to actually use WhatsApp and voice. Okay, so normally you would actually use two thumbs to actually type all your messages on WhatsApp, right? So today we're going to actually learn how to basically send a voice messages using WhatsApp, and also how to use your voice to maybe type in WhatsApp. So instead of using the finger method to type a text, we're going to actually use the voice to actually input text into WhatsApp. So first of all, okay, just go ahead and let me demonstrate how you're going to actually use a voice message. Okay, so when you're in WhatsApp, if you see the green color microphone button, you just tap on the button and you can start talking into the mic, and you can basically start recording your voice. All right, so after this, okay, the other method is basically you can basically tap on the message box, okay, and you can actually get a keyboard. Now on top of the keyboard you can actually see a small microphone icon. All right, now when you tap the microphone icon, okay, I can just simply tap on the blue color button there. All right, or instead you don't have to tap on the blue color button, you actually start recording whatever you say. All right, so let me just demonstrate. Okay, tap again. This is a demo on how you can actually use your voice instead of typing the text. All right, so once you actually see it appear on your screen, you can actually just press on the send button. All right, okay, so that concludes how you can actually use voice on WhatsApp message. If let's say you have no time to type, you prefer actually to talk your message across and to send it to someone else on the other side. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hi everyone, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to click on subscribe and click on the bell, okay, so to keep informed of new upcoming videos on the channel. Until then, see you in the next video.